Hello, English language learners from around the world. This week, I would like us to continue to build on the knowledge that we've gained so far in this program. Just to briefly summarize, first we went over the vowel sounds of English, pure vowels and complex vowels. We talked about where to make those sounds in our mouth. And then we started to talk about word stress, and we've spent a lot of time on word stress because it is so important to the English language. We talked about how stressed syllables are spoken longer in length and louder. And then we talked about some rules. Is it a noun, adjective, verb, preposition? Is it a compound noun? Does the stress fall on the first syllable or on the second syllable? So if you've missed those videos, I encourage you to take a look at those because today we're going to build on that knowledge. So what I want to talk about today is prefixes. So many of you have your native language as a Latin-based language, so you're familiar with prefixes. So that's when we add a small part to the front of a word, such as un. When we say unhappy, that means the opposite of happy. Okay, so the good news is most prefixes don't take stress. So when you add those two root words, you just follow the stress of the original root word. So just like with that example, unhappy, all I did was add an unstressed syllable to the beginning of the word, unhappy. So it's almost like I didn't even say it. So that's one of the challenges with learning English is that it sounds like we're mumbling. But as you go further along in your English learning journey, you'll realize that this is just the rhythm of English. Okay, and so basically, if you pay attention to those stressed sounds, that will help you. So let's take another example. How about if we take the multi-syllable word understand? Understand. So you can hear that the first two syllables under were unstressed, and then I put that stress on the third syllable, understand, understand. Third syllable longer and louder. Good. So what if I add the prefix miss? So once again, like I said, most prefixes don't take stress. So now all I'm doing is I'm adding one more unstressed syllable. So it's going to be misunderstand, misunderstand. Okay? Let's take a shorter word this time. Let's take a verb. Let's take the verb do. So it's one syllable. There's nothing we can do with that syllable except stress it. Do. No problem. So if we add a prefix, how about we add the prefix re? Again, no stress on that prefix, so we're going to say redo, redo.